Have you ever wondered why British sausages are called bangers? It's not just slang, it's a story of World War I shortages that literally burst open in the pan. Today we are exploring bangers and mash, a traditional British dish consisting of sausages served with mashed potato and onion gravy. Despite being considered simple pub grub, its origins are surprisingly dramatic and tied to wartime history. The name dates back to World War I, when severe food shortages forced meat producers to use fillers, mostly water, inside the sausages. This high water content meant the casings were under immense pressure during cooking. When these water-filled sausages were cooked over higher heat in a pan, the steam would build up until the casing couldn't hold it anymore. These sausages would literally explode or burst with a loud bang, leaving the meat inside. Over time, this physical reaction stuck to the name. Even though modern recipes often use oats and other fillers that cause similar bursts, banger is now a casual term for traditional British sausages found in classic dishes. Beyond the name, the dish is a staple of the country's cuisine because it is hearty and affordable. The combination of savory meat, creamy mashed potatoes, and rich onion gravy creates a flavor profile that remains popular in pubs today. So the next time you hear bangers, remember they aren't just loud sausages, they are a culinary survivor from a time when hunger shaped our food culture in unexpected ways. What is your favorite traditional British dish? Do you think the story of exploding sausages makes them more interesting to eat? Let me know in the comments below.